Steve Quillian from Wood Window Makeover, and Mark and I have just arrived. Working on this corner here. I'll be working on that window and that window. The Highest Church of Christ. This was erected in 1924.
There's a way to get out there. I'm just not.
Let's see. This has got to be it.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, this would be one way, but this is not the way.
Oh no. You know what? Another frame down here. Maybe down here to drop the through the window.
Right. Dun dun dun. Oh, isn't that nice? What do you think, Mark? It's gonna be pretty easy to get the glass out. Boy. I'm gonna take this aluminum contraption off, whatever this thing is. Up here, I bet those are gonna be okay. I mean, as far as condition is concerned. No telling where we're gonna get this pattern glass either. Where are we gonna get this pattern glass? It's a good question. Tomorrow's gonna be a lot of investigation, huh? This should come off pretty easy. Looks like we're gonna need some Abitron. I guess first things first, see if we can get these sashes out, huh? See this piece right here? Yeah. Somebody's already taken that off. And you got this plywood down there. That can't be a good sign. Well, let's go back inside and look, see what we see. This. Well, that's going to be real interesting getting it all apart. So what's that?
Looks like it came apart. It's not rotted though. This might be a little bit.
I got the bits to make that stuff. So that's probably what a lot of tomorrow is going to be, I would figure, is figuring out the windows. You know what I'm saying? Because I know one thing, Mark. I mean, I can spend a day or two and make these sashes, you know, the ones that are rotted. And, you know, why even mess with those, you know what I'm saying? You know, don't even take the glass out until we're ready. You know, and then when it's time to take the glass out, we just mask the sash, switch the glass, and life is good. You know what I'm saying? Well, hey, Mark, check it out. I know what it is. Look, this hardware right here. That's hardware. You can see that or not? So that gap up there is so that this is a pivoting window. See that there's a stop right here, right there. Over here is another stop. It pivots up there, and so the molding is on one side, it's attached to the sash, on the other side it's attached to the jamb. That's gonna be cool to get this thing working again. You know what I'm saying? That one that you're touching has handles on it. The one to your right doesn't. See that? So that one's fixed and you can't reach it anyway. The windows go all the way down beneath this floor. Cool. Man, I can't wait to restore that hardware. That's gonna be awesome. So I hope this sash isn't gonna make it either. It's all rotted. So I think 3 tiers is going to be enough. Here, climb up to the top of the stairs. I want to get your picture at the top of the stairs over there so get a scale. I mean, like, I can't get you and the whole entire window in the picture from where you're standing. That's a good one. Oh yeah, it's probably all rotted. Some significant high-level carpentry on this one, huh? Oh yeah. Just scoot over to your left just a little. Turn your body to your right. A step forward, half a step. Just a fraction more. Now point up. Other hand. Okay, hand back just a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, man, that same hardware is on these windows here. So this is how they work. Why you have a window right there, I don't know. But I guess they knew back in the day when they designed this place, huh?